Explain waterfall methodology. Waterfall methodology is a sequential process of software development that involves distinct phases such as requirements gathering, design, development, testing, deployment, and maintenance. It is a linear, one-directional approach where each phase must be completed before the next one begins and there is little to no overlap between phases. The name waterfall comes from the idea that each phase flows into the next, like a waterfall. This approach is best suited for projects with well-defined and stable requirements, where the end product can be clearly specified at the outset. Advantages: clear about requirements so we should know what we are doing. Easy to manage the project. Comfortable for smaller projects. Good documentation. Disadvantages: not good and fit for longer and complex projects. Low collaboration between teams. Time and money should get wasted if our product not as per requirement. No formal meetings.